Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're checking out something truly special, the 2025 Kenworth T2450 Motorhome, a bold step into the luxury RV world by one of the biggest names in trucking. At first glance, the Kenworth T2450 commands attention with its powerful aerodynamic design. It's built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, offering strength and durability that few motorhomes can match. Whether you're cruising highways or tackling rugged back roads, this beast is built to handle it all with ease. Under the hood, the T2450 comes equipped with a 12.9-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering an impressive 515 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Towing capacity? Practically limitless for anything you'd realistically haul behind an RV. And thanks to Kenworth's smart engineering, you're not just getting raw power, you're getting smooth, efficient performance for those long cross-country trips. Step inside, and it's a whole other level of luxury. The interior is designed like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. High-end materials, handcrafted cabinetry, a full gourmet kitchen, a spa-inspired bathroom, and even a master bedroom that rivals what you'd find in a luxury apartment. Every inch is tailored for comfort, style, and convenience. One of the standout features of the 2025 T2450 is its integrated smart tech system. You can control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security from your smartphone or a central touchscreen. It even has a built-in solar energy system to keep you powered up off-grid, perfect for true adventure seekers. Driving the T2450 is surprisingly manageable. Thanks to advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, even a first-time RV driver will feel confident behind the wheel. Kenworth has packed this motorhome with technology that prioritizes safety without compromising that classic road warrior spirit. Pricing for the Kenworth T2450 reflects its premium build, starting north of $750,000. But for those serious about taking their home on the road without sacrificing power, comfort, or luxury, it's absolutely worth considering. In my honest opinion, the 2025 Kenworth T2450 isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement. It says, you're ready for the open road, but you're not willing to leave behind any of the comforts of home. Thanks for watching today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest and detailed reviews just like this. Drop a comment below if you'd take the T2450 on your next adventure and tell us where you'd go first. See you in the next one.